In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jotform report builder in just 5 minutes. Jotform is a fantastic tool for transforming your form submissions into visually appealing, presentation-ready reports. So if you're keen to learn how to make the most out of this robust tool, you're in the right place. Let's get started by navigating to jotform.com. Once you are on the sign-in page, you have a few options to access your account. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft if you prefer those platforms, or you can use your email address and password. Choose the option that best suits you and log into your account. Now that we've logged in, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the My Workspace logo. Click on the drop down arrow beside it. This will reveal a menu with several options for managing your Jotform resources. From the drop down menu, you'll want to click on My Reports. This section is where you'll be creating and managing all your reports. Next, go ahead and click on Create Report. This will kick off the process of developing your new report. For this example, we're going to choose a visual report type. This choice allows the report to display your data in a visually engaging way. After selecting the visual report format, the next step is to choose the Select a Form option. This feature lets you create a report directly from your form submission data. On the following screen, you will see a list of forms from your Jotform account. Pick the form you want to report on and click Select Form to proceed. This selection is crucial as it determines which data will be visualized in your report. Once you've selected your form, it's time to give your report a name. Enter an appropriate name in the space provided on the next screen. Naming your report helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you're handling multiple projects. The next decision involves choosing between an extended report and a compact report. Opt for the extended report to showcase a single chart per page, or go with the compact report if you prefer 2 charts on each page. This choice depends on how detailed you want each page of your report to be. Exploring further customization, you can also select the blank option, which lets you start from scratch. This template is perfect if you wish to tailor your report using data from your form. No matter the template you choose, each one is fully customizable. You can tweak everything from the color scheme and branding to the type of charts and design elements used. This is all made easy with drag and drop functionality, which gives you full creative control over your report's appearance. Finally, once you've got everything set up, you can start editing your report to align with your needs, play around with different elements, examine various data representations, and make it your own. With these steps, you'll have a polished and professional report ready to impress. Happy creating!